vintage is over, my waiting is done. The day after never, my true love will come. I work in the vineyard my folks shared with me, and wish that my sweetheart were back from the sea. I nursed all this good earth and made it to yield. He saw in it no worth, the sea was his field. He loved me one night time till I fell asleep. I woke into sunshine, and how I did weep. His eyes were of starbright, his skin of pre-dawn. His hair was my dark light, but now he is gone. He sent me one postcard, just signed with an X, addressed by my own hand, and nothing came next. But no news is good news, the old folks would say. But no news is sad news when none's on the way. I kept on a-yearning and felt all that pain. I kept on a-learning that love's not in vain. My face was once homely, my talk was so plain. Folks say I'm now comely, I'm no more the same. And young men would stop by to ask how I'd been. Some gave me the glad eye, I think just of him. They'd ask me out walking, and sometimes I'd go. But while they'd be talking, I'd long for him so. The vintage is over, my waiting is done. The day after never, my true love might come. I work in the vineyard my folks left to me, and hope that my sweetheart is safe on the sea. And winters have gone by and harvests have come. I don't let myself cry, I get my work done. And old gents will stop by to offer their name, and they sure can tell why I just am not game. My eyes can look far now, clear out to the sea. I just have the know-how, it's love that taught me. The vintage is over, the waiting is done. The day after never with true love has come. The day after never with true love has come.
Orphan cleft in two, inside of me, inside of you. Your gaze shines keening through and through from sombre eyes of ancient hue. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. If you could see what can be seen, you will not be what you have been. Frontiers and barriers disappear, and you are freed from every fear. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. My roaming orphan, roam no more. A fresh world lies for you in store. It beckons from an open door with visions of a newborn shore. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. Your home is not on rock or sand, or on the waters or the land. It is inside the torn, cleft soul, where grief from joy will make you whole. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. My erring child, so torn in two, between the false, between the true. Don't pour your blood out on the land, your secret love is close at hand. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. Free flow of spirit, breathe as now the nameless yearned for why and how. It fills the heart and soul and mind, and overflows all humankind. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. Come home, it says to you, to rest in sleep that makes you new. When you awake, you will see through whatever may obstruct your view. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. My wandering orphan, cease to roam. Inside the heart's blood is your home. Sell not your soul for star or moon, it only leads you to your doom. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. You are the apple of my eye, for you at night I plead and cry. The life that took so long to grow, how carelessly you let it go. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. May four-leaf clover strew your ways, the high roads, by roads of your pass, and join them to the feeder lanes that open into avenues. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean everywhere and everywhen there waits a new Jerusalem, the womb and tomb of Zion's seed, genetic code of Abraham's creed. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. May stars of love shine from the skies, and let their light receive your eyes. Remove all sadness from your heart, and give you gladness for your thought. May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret blue. Arabian nights breathe their perfume from leaves which in the darkness bloom, with stories told that saved the blood by Allah for Scheherazade. Astaghfirullah bismillah, may everlasting arms hold you. You are an instant of surprise, the love in you I recognized when you cried out in agony, oh, why have you forsaken me? May everlasting arms hold you within the ocean's secret